They are very important population in the soil that makes it healthy for plant to grow, such as bacteria, fungi, nematodes, protozoa, amongst others. Bacteria act like food storage bank for your plants. They are the earth's primary decomposer of organic matter, locking up nutrients close to the plant's roots, which may otherwise be leached away by rain. When the bacteria dies, those nutrients are released to feed the plant. Mycorrhizae are beneficial fungus living symbiotically with the root. The root provides the carbon that the fungus needs to grow, and the fungus transports water and nutrients to the root. What a wonderful win-win situation. Most of the time, we see only the fungus that appears above the soil like mushroom. But there are millions of fungus, bacteria, amoeba, protozoa under the soil that makes the soil fertile. Plants depend on a network of tiny fungus for water and other nutrients. Let's dive below the soil to take a closer look. There is a network of living fungi thread called hyphae. Ants help to maintain soil health by aerating the earth, circulating water and nutrients. Tiny moths may dine on tiny nematodes. Nematodes consume single-cell amoeba, which are very tiny that we can't see. Amoeba devour tinier bacteria. Fungus and bacteria decompose dead materials. In nature, nothing is wasted. Let's enjoy the wonders of nature as we explore deeper. Nature living technology is amazing. The hive is spread and keeps spreading. It travels until it reaches the plant root. The fungus wrap around the root tip. The hyphae pushes itself into the space between the three cells where a chemical exchange takes place. The fungus provides the plant with essential minerals, while the plant supplies the fungus with energy-rich sugar, nutrient for energy. It gives me hope to know that plant health, human health, and the health of our planet are interconnected. But we keep destroying our soils with external chemicals, and I wonder why. The application of pesticide, insecticide, and herbicide, the use of heavy machinery, and leaving soil bare without cover crop have left us with little or no soil life population. The ground surrounding residential area and commercial properties are particularly lacking in soil life. It is the duty of this generation to get the earth back to the Garden of Eden that it was by farming carbon. Let's bring back biodiversity to a place that was devastated. Planting a garden has a power to change the world, and even you can do it. Regenerative gardening actually helps us to reverse climate change by building healthy living soil. Even a small garden has the potential to impact the global crisis of climate change. Start your regenerative climate garden now by growing organic. It is better to plant anything than to plant nothing.